Get messages all day, every day. Ikulong mo na yan. Alam naman natin kung sino sila. Ikulong mo na. Kunin mo lahat ng pera nila. Pagbenta mo na yung mga bahay nila, ibalik sa ano. What would then I be accused of if we did that? Secondly, if basta-basta lang tayo nagsasabi hindi maganda ebidensya, basta kasuhan mo na. Kung nanalo, kung maakwit, dahil hindi maganda ang pagkahanda ng kaso, technicality. Nagka-technicality. Can you imagine these people who have stolen billions from the government and from the people, nakawala dahil hindi maganda ang pagka-handle ng ebidensya? That would be much worse result. So, due process must be observed. We must make